Does it feel like you are always cleaning your toilet? Not only do your children somehow miss, but your water is staining the porcelain. However, natural cleaners can take your porcelain from grimy to beautiful gleaming white. There are two main ways to remove stains from your toilet depending on what you have in your cupboard. Vinegar and baking soda are two of the most versatile natural cleaners in your pantry. Not only can these clean anything from your stove to your floors, they are great for removing hard water stains in your toilet too. So you're going to need vinegar, baking soda, toilet brush and a cup. Measure a normal cup of vinegar. Next, pour it into the toilet, trying to coat the entirety of the bowl, especially where the water stains are. Let the vinegar sit in the toilet for 10 minutes. Then add a cup of baking soda to the toilet. Follow this by adding another cup of vinegar right after the baking soda. Allow the two to fizzle in the toilet for about 10 to 15 minutes. Use a toilet brush to scrub at the water stains. Allow the solution to sit for longer if stains remain, and repeat scrubbing vigorously with the brush. Finally, flush the toilet. Another miracle cure for your toilet bowl water stains is borax. This powerful cleaner can remove mineral stains and grime with little effort. So you're going to need borax, toilet brush and vinegar, although this is optional. If you choose to use vinegar, add half to 2/3 of a cup to the toilet bowl. Allow the vinegar to sit for 10 to 15 minutes. For extra hard water, you can let this sit for an hour or more. Next, scrub the toilet lightly with the toilet brush, trying to scrub off as much loose minerals as possible. Then flush the toilet. The next step is to pour half of a cup of borax into the toilet. You want to sprinkle this around the toilet bowl gently, allowing it to hit all the stains. If you are not using vinegar, you can start here. Use the toilet brush to do some scrubbing. Allow the borax to sit in the toilet as long as possible. Overnight is best. Give the toilet another good scrub, making sure all the stains are gone. Finally, you can flush the toilet. If natural solutions just aren't effective enough, the hard water stains have been left too long, don't throw in the towel yet. A pumice stone or fine grit sandpaper can work well to remove those stubborn water stains that cleaners just aren't breaking up. If you are using sandpaper, however, ensure it is fine or extra fine grit, so you don't scratch the porcelain on your toilet. To use a pumice stone or sandpaper, gently scrub the stain in a side-to-side motion. Move around the bowl, scrubbing the water stains. Flush at various intervals can help to remove any debris. Finally, use a toilet brush to swish the water around and give it a final flush. Whichever method you use, as long as you persevere, you will eventually get a shiny new-looking toilet. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on how to clean toilet bowl stains with baking soda and vinegar. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.